So a couple months ago, I made a video on my channel talking about how to get a huge credit limit increase. And that video actually did fairly well considering the size of this channel. So at about 50,000 subs, and during the time when I posted that, I'm pretty sure I had like 20 or 30,000 subs. This video now has well over 280,000 views, which is pretty impressive. So what I want to do in today's video is really just dive deep into the YouTube side of things instead of the credit card side of things, because this video is actually pretty interesting. I learned a lot of things from this, and I'm going to share with you guys those lessons I learned, how much money I made from this video, CPMs in this market, and really just talk about money, YouTube, and personal finance. So if you're interested in any of that, you're going to enjoy this video. So bring out the popcorn. Don't bring out the popcorn.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Now, to me, this kind of doesn't make sense because in that video, like I definitely like just rolled out of bed or something because my hair was super messed up. I was all out of focus. I have like my desk was super messy. My massage gun was in the corner. I had my Starbucks cup and lid, and the algorithm just doesn't make sense to me sometimes. Like, out of all the high quality videos that I thought would blow up, like, why did the worst video, like in terms of quality on my channel, do that well? So let's dive right in. All right, you guys, so we are inside of my YouTube creator studio right now. This is actually one of the first times I think I've ever shown this on YouTube. So my YouTube creator studio, he might be a little shy, okay? But here are some of the things I learned. When I'm making a YouTube video, I focus on a couple things. It's gonna be the title and the thumbnail, and that's for something called the click-through rate, or the CTR. CTR is really just whenever someone sees your title or your thumbnail, they click on the video, and what you have to do after that is really keep something called audience retention. So as you guys can see on my screen, I have a 40% audience retention. This makes it really easy because this video is almost exactly 10 minutes long. And when I have an audience retention of at least 40%, that's when I see videos start doing well. If it ever dips under that, if it goes 30%, 20%, 10%, that video is shot. It's not gonna do well. But if I see a high average view duration or the audience retention rate, if it maintains while the views keep going up, while I still keep getting a steady CTR, then I will see this type of success on a video. Now, it's often hard to replicate something like this. I do not have that many videos that do well. And frankly, like I mentioned in the beginning, I have no idea why YouTube chose to blow this one up more than my other videos, because the quality on this is beyond not like what, guys, my hair is just so messy in that. I can't even watch that video. But here's what you guys need to know. I did at one point actually change the thumbnail. So you guys will see this video kind of flattening out around like 100,000 views, but I changed the thumbnail on this and I think it just reboosted the video up. So sometimes what I'll do is go back on my older videos. If I do see a good audience retention rate, I will change things like the title or the thumbnail every now and then. And this is really what I've seen just kind of revive videos that I know just have a little bit of steam going to it. Now, guys, I don't get viral videos like every single day. I'm not an expert in this field. I know a lot of people who actually do this for a living, just creating viral content on YouTube, doing a really good job at it. This I wouldn't even consider viral. I would just say that I got very lucky with the algorithm. But there are still a lot of key points that we can learn from this. Now, as you guys see, browse feature is about 80% of where I'm getting my traffic from. I do try to make content around YouTube search, and that's because I do believe that type of traffic has the warmest amount of conversion. So you have cold traffic, you have warm traffic, you have hot traffic. Usually if someone types in something like how to get a credit limit increase and they're really trying to get the information in that, oftentimes you'll find a better conversion with any links that you have in that video, and you guys will also have a much higher retention rate because people are actively searching for it. But I think with this type of content, generally people have a credit card. A majority of people out in the world have credit cards, and a lot of people, for whatever reason, they want a higher credit limit increase. And then this video really just focuses on the value provided. It doesn't go straight in depth on like graphics and quality, because frankly, quality is so bad on this. Now, I know a lot of people are curious, like, so what results did I get? Like, how much money did I make? As you guys can see, I made around $3,285 from this 10-minute video. Now, roughly my CPM on this channel is about $25. Because this video did a lot better than my other ones, the CPM on this went down about $20. But good examples of higher CPM that I do get on some of my videos would be like this Credit Karma video. This video actually had a CPM of $30. $600. So this means is every 1,000 views, I'll get about $30 per that. So this video did about 30,000 views. I made $600 from this one 13-minute video. Now, when we're talking about the credit limit increase video, my CPM is still at a pretty good rate, just because in other niches, you'll see a CPM of about $5, which is really, really low. I don't have to get that many views in order for me to be able to make this a full-time thing or make a living off of this. I can actually keep a decent amount of views, but the most important thing that I note is even if my videos don't do well like the first few days, it always ends up picking up like a few weeks or a few months after. So I know a lot of people who are trying to start their YouTube channels often get so discouraged when they see like they don't get that many comments, they don't get that many views, but you guys need to realize, for me personally, I didn't see any major results for a while. My goal is to always just try to break 1,000 views. And once you keep doing that goal over and over again daily, you'll find that it's a lot easier for those old videos to still get views, because once it's on YouTube if it's on YouTube, chances are it'll still get views. It may not get millions and millions of views, but over time it'll start stacking views. And I feel like the algorithm sometimes do pick up these videos way longer, like over time. So even like recent videos that I made that have no views at all, like in a couple months, some of these videos may pick up and get over hundreds of thousands of views. So I know a lot of people are gonna think, wow, you make a 10-minute video right here and you make $3,000. That ROI just doesn't make sense. This is how we can beat Elon Musk. This is how we can beat Bezos. We just got to make content like this and all become YouTubers, and this is how we're gonna do it. I really wish that was the case, and I really wish that was the truth too. If I just turn on a camera, 10 minutes, boom, put it up, boom, 3, okay, we good. In reality, YouTube takes a lot more work on the back end than that. So what you guys won't see is the time that I put in terms of keyword research, trying to make the thumbnail, trying to actually deliver content, trying to deliver it in a good, cohesive, literate way where I can speak to a camera confidently, make sure I keep people's attention while still providing accurate data and value. There are a lot of things that go behind on a YouTube channel, years and years of work, years and years of things that I think me as a person really contributes into what you guys see now as a result. So it's very enticing to be able to see how much someone can make off of one single YouTube video, but people won't often see all the failed videos, all the failed channels, all the times that I've just been disappointed. I wasn't seeing the result that I was looking to get. But it's videos like this where I really want to encourage my audience. If you do want to start your channel, just do it. Don't give up, because the mindset of being too scared to try, the mindset of not thinking you'll ever get there and just not even doing anything, not taking any type of action, that feeling, for me at least, is worse than anything else. I'd rather do it and know that it never happened than to regret not doing it at all. So a lot of you guys may be curious on what my plans on YouTube are now. I mean, my goal for a while has been to hit 100K subs. I know it's going to happen. Just even if I don't post that many videos, I know it's going to happen because of the trend. I think once you're established on this platform, over time, you're going to still develop subscribers. But guys, I've seen a lot of YouTube channels also die. I've also seen a lot of YouTube channels that never blow up too. So I think with this niche, what you guys have to realize is I myself as a content creator on YouTube have always focused on just being myself, like just being real, like low key, like I like anime. So I'm gonna post anime sometimes. I'm gonna make references to that sometimes. Like I really don't want to take away from who I am, but I still want to provide value. So I've always focused on the mindset of, look, I'm going to provide value, but I'm going to be who I am. And I feel like those two things, which is value and entertainment, if you can mash it together, if you can really put those two things together and deliver and really show people how they can improve themselves or entertain them or make their day better, just maybe by the words you say or the person you are, you will find success on this platform. But often people just focus too much on one thing and they don't get to that point. And I feel like back in the day when you first started YouTube, you had the advantage. They call it like first movers advantage, you know, like when TikTok first comes out or when drop shipping first came out, like there's all these people who are able to find success because they're the first people to get on this. We're pioneering a lot of things. YouTube, I will never say it's saturated. People often message me, Brian, you think YouTube's too saturated? Like I've been watching your content, like you've inspired me to make my own channel, but I'm scared. I don't know if it's saturated at all. Like I want to be doing this too. It's not saturated at all. I don't ever believe YouTube will become a saturated platform. that is just your mindset on what you have. That is just your limitations on your own self. If you think anything is saturated, you're wrong. You need to change your mindset before even trying to enter a field. To me, I always just saw YouTube as an opportunity. My first few videos never really got that many views, but after posting some content, after getting super lucky with one video, that's when I realized I know what niche I'm supposed to be in. I know the type of content I want to make. I know the type of content that in this niche, maybe they're also looking for this type of thing. So when two things really start lining up, that's when you can find success. I do believe like a lot of my success on YouTube comes like half from luck. I do believe the other part is really the hard work that you put in there, because there are countless times where I would record all day, maybe 8 to 10 hours straight. And that's because I could not even get a video done. And this was actually my past growing up. Like, you guys will not see the bloopers. You guys will not see all the hard work where I'm like recording a video and then I flop onto my bed because I didn't like how that video went. There were so many times where I was just not satisfied. So many times where I could not talk to a camera. So many times I lost files, re-record, demonetize, like all these things. But here we are. That's really the whole thing about a YouTube channel. It's not always gonna be green. You actually have to grind. You actually have to put in the work. You have to be yourself, and I think you can then find results like this in the future. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This is actually like my 5th video I recorded straight in a row today, and my voice is kind of going right now, but yeah, guys, I really hope this video motivated you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below of just YouTube, and if I was able to encourage any of you guys, or what you guys think of this. Maybe some of you guys never wanted to start a YouTube channel, but maybe this was a video that encouraged you or inspired you to. So let me know down below what you guys think of all this. I definitely want to hear your thoughts, and check out my affiliate links, and don't forget to check out some of the other videos I have on my channel. If you guys really like this type of content, let me know, because I really am trying to diversify and see what else works and what doesn't. Regardless if this video does well or not, I really do like talking about things like this, just trying to inspire, motivate, and help other people out. So guys, thank you guys so much again for tuning by. I love every single one of you guys, even the haters. Thank you again, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Peace.